Bitfinex NFT Trading App. The pros, the cons. The Bitfinex NFT Trading App brings NFT buying, selling and trading to one of the oldest and most trusted cryptocurrency exchanges. Most people get this wrong by thinking Bitfinex is only for crypto trading, but the surprising truth is that it now provides a fully integrated NFT marketplace. On the pros side, the app offers secure account integration with Bitfinex, making it easy to fund NFT purchases directly from your crypto wallet or exchange balance. Users can access exclusive drops, track trending collections, and participate in secondary trading with exchange-level security. Platform supports multiple blockchain standards, allowing a variety of NFT types, and provides analytics tools to help you make informed trading decisions. On the cons side, the selection of NFTs is smaller than on larger marketplaces like OpenSea or Rarible. High-demand drops can sell out quickly, and the interface may be a little complex for beginners who are new to NFTs. Additionally, transaction fees can add up, especially for smaller trades. In conclusion, the Bitfinex NFT Trading App is ideal for experienced traders who already trust Bitfinex for crypto. While it may not have the vast variety of other platforms, its security, integrated exchange features and analytics tools make it a solid choice for serious NFT collectors and investors looking for a professional trading environment.